The 180SX is finally getting an oil change. Let's go. So if you've never worked on an sr20, the oil filter literally is located right underneath the inlet manifold. Don't go from the bottom. This makes it harder. Ooh. And take a look at that. We've got genuine Nissan parts. This is actually an oil filter that I imported from Japan. So sick. Take a look at that. Say the weird thing. People are desperately seeking realness. What the fuck is up with this filter location, bro? Holy. The SR20 calls for 3.5 quarts, and that should be good.